using how to create an animaker. Alright. Today you can use a character. How can to create him with this? And you can use some big. You can use the backgrounds. We'll just choose the you want to create. I want to make him and create it. You could use him to create it. Let me create him. Alright. And today I'll be using height. You can use a character. And you can use Plasmus and download to the action, create a Gundle. You can use a YouTuber and Austin Perry. You cannot have a news and you can use a download to create Facebook page. Go to www.careers to Austin Perry to next. Done. Now linked. Let me use it. And now that's all done. Be clean, old killed. Thank you for watching.